Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB, embrace the iExamB learning experience. In this video, we are going to talk about GIC Re recruitment of assistant manager in the IT stream. We are going to analyze over the previous years what has been the vacancy trend, exam pattern changes and the cutoffs. So looking at the vacancy trend, IT officer recruitment is not very frequent in GIC. There were 3 vacancies in 2024. Then there were no vacancies over the subsequent specialist officer recruitment in 2016 and 18. There were 2 vacancies in 2019. In 2023, 9 vacancies came. And now in 2024, there are 22 vacancies. So this year, there are the highest number of vacancies for IT officer in GIC Re. If you look at the exam pattern changes, there hasn't been too much change in the exam pattern from 2014 to 2024, except in 2023. So we'll just quickly glance through the exam patterns. There were 3 parts, Part A, Part B, Part C in 2014. The difference was only in the number of questions in QRE GA part. The technical knowledge part had 40 questions of 40 marks. Part C, which was descriptive English, it again was of 30 marks. This total is the same. Total is still 80 marks, but the number of questions in English and numerical ability were different. This pattern was again repeated in 2016. So this pattern was same again in 2016. And then in 2019 also the pattern was same. Coming to 2021, here the change was brought. Part A was again technical and professional knowledge. In Part B, the number of questions of English language were increased to 25 and of numerical ability and computer literacy it was decreased to 15. Otherwise the total was still 80. And after that Part C was also there. To our surprise, in 2023 when the specialist officer recruitment came, there was a major change brought. Part A was kept common with the general stream and in Part A there were no technical questions. There were questions from higher order reasoning ability or critical thinking. Part B and Part C were the same. But now this year in 2024, again 2021 pattern is repeated. Part A is technical professional knowledge test in relevant discipline. Part B and Part C are the same as 2021 recruitment. So here if you have to refer to any previous recruitment to see what has been the cutoff trend, to refer to the type of questions that would have come in your technical part, you will have to refer to 2019 recruitment. In 2021 there was no IT post. So for IT officer analysis, you will have to refer to 2019 cutoffs to have an idea of this recruitment cycle. So as we move to the cutoff, we will refer to only 2019 cutoff for the IT stream. In IT, in 2019, the cutoff was 83. This was out of 150. So you can see the cutoff was more than 50%. And this is an overall cutoff. There is no sectional cutoff in any part or in any subject in Part B. There is an overall cutoff of 83 out of 150. And if you look at the overall cutoff in IT, it was 132.25 out of 200 after adding GD and interview marks. The written exam marks are 150, GD is of 20 marks, interview is of 30 marks. Out of these 200, the final cutoff was 132.25. Now here, suppose a student secured 83 and cleared the written exam at border of 83. If you add the complete 50 marks of interview and GD in this, it will become equal to 133. And the overall cutoff was 132.25. So understand here, you will have to target quite good marks, quite high marks in your written exam to have that surety that you are able to clear this exam this year. It is very difficult to get 50 marks out of 50 in GD and interview together. So you will have to be careful and target high score in the written exam. I hope this gives you an idea. If you're looking for any kind of preparation material, mock test, practice questions, you can check out our GIC Assistant Manager IT Stream online course. You'll get video lessons, study notes which are designed by our expert faculties. You will find chapter tests, section tests. You will find 5 full-length practice tests each for Part A, B, C. There is descriptive paper evaluation with personalized feedback present. There are doubt clearing classes and there is also GD and interview guidance present in the course. Here you can check out the details of this course. If you have any queries, you can write them down in the comment below or you can reach out to us on this number. Enroll with iExamB and make your preparation 50% faster. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.